iPad Mini 4 Teardown. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, power down your 4th generation iPad mini tablet, apply heat to the top corner of the iPad Mini 4 to soften the adhesive. Use the suction cup and precision knife to create separation between the display assembly and rear case. Insert a plastic triangle opening tool and start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply firm, constant force and additional heat. The iPad 4 mini display assembly is a much tighter fit than most devices and is held down with a good amount of adhesive. With the adhesive softened, our tried and true method of suction cup and triangle opening tools will prevail. The display assembly is still connected to the iPad by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws, securing the metal bracket to the motherboard. Remove the metal bracket and disconnect the battery, LCD, and digitizer ribbon cables. Release the ZIF connector. And carefully slide out the home button assembly cable. The home button bracket is held in place with 2 gobs of adhesive. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use a combination of the spudger and tweezers to pry up the home button cable and remove the home button assembly and bracket from the front panel. Peel up the piece of black tape and remove the following 2 Phillips screws, securing the metal bracket in place. The bracket protects the headphone jack, front-facing camera, rear-facing camera, and power button connectors. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws, securing the right antenna in place. Remove the last Phillips screw, securing the right antenna in place. With the fine-tip curved tweezers, carefully pry up the right antenna. Peel up the right antenna cable and disconnect it from the iPad mini 4 motherboard. Remove the 1.2 megapixel iPad mini 4 FaceTime camera. Remove the 8 megapixel iPad mini 4 iSight rear-facing camera. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws securing the protective metal bracket over the headphone jack. Remove the Phillips screw that secures the headphone jack to the rear case. Use a spudger to disconnect the headphone jack cable from the motherboard and remove it from the 4th generation iPad mini. Disconnect the power button, microphone, and ambient light cable from the motherboard. Use the tweezers to separate it from the adhesive holding it in place. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws securing the cable to the top of the iPad mini 4 rear case. With the fine-tip curved tweezers, carefully remove the cable, and then the physical power button. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws, securing the bottom antenna in place. Use the fine-tip curved tweezers to peel up the bottom antenna cable and disconnect it from the iPad mini 4 motherboard. Remove the black tape covering the 2 loudspeaker ZIF connectors. Release the ZIF connectors and carefully slide out the cables. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws securing the loudspeaker to the bottom of the iPad mini 4 rear case. Remove the black tape. And then use the spudger to assist in removing each loudspeaker from the iPad. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws securing the lightning connector in place. Use a spudger to carefully pry up the lightning connector cable. The lightning connector is soldered to the motherboard, so do not bend its pins. Remove the falling Phillips screw. It secures the protective metal bracket over the volume buttons cable. Remove the bracket. Disconnect the volume buttons cable from the motherboard. With some patience and a good amount of sputtering, the motherboard can be removed from the iPad Mini 4. All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.Fixez.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.